taking the time today to view my presentation on the tire shop industry with the focus on Chicago Pneumatic's advanced wheel solutions. My name is Ryan Janiel, and I am Chicago Pneumatic's National Accounts Manager on the vehicle service side of our business. I cover all of the USA and Canada and have been with CP for a little over 5.5 years. I have 21 years of combined industry experience in the automotive tools and equipment and industrial distribution channels. In this presentation, we will cover why CP is your preferred choice for your tire shop needs. We'll touch on the vehicle types and the applications we focus on, and the steps to ensure tool efficiencies and workplace safety while drawing attention to the recommended tools and equipment in our line that you should utilize when working on each vehicle type. Lastly, I will provide you with our area sales manager field coverage maps for USA and Canada, who are available to work with you and your sales teams to help grow the CP line of products within your organizations. Now let's talk about our tire shop solutions. CP is your one-stop shop for all your tire changing needs. We provide all the needed equipment, tools, and accessories for your day-to-day jobs. We understand the specific needs of maintaining and repairing vehicles, and we help to make tough jobs easier. Since 1901, we have been providing products that are reliable and robust, and that offer great ergonomics for user comfort and ease of use. Safety on the job is key for us and is always top of mind when developing our products. You can rely on our knowledge, our tools, our equipment, and our expert recommendations to make sure you are safe at all times. With safety and tool efficiency in mind, we always recommend for all our air tools an air tool installation guide like you see here on this slide. Starting with an FRL unit to filter and provide clean air to the tool, regulate pressure to provide optimal tool performance, and lubricate the tool to improve its lifespan. From the FRL to the tool, this also includes coupling and nipple fittings, an air fuse to help prevent potential workplace accidents such as hose whiplash, barbed male national pipe thread hose connectors to provide cost-effective, easy, and a quick way to create a seal between the air fuse and air hose, followed by more fittings and a hose whip to protect against whiplash, provide durability with increased tool inlet lifespan, helping to prevent hose wear, and better ergonomics when coupled with one of our AirFlex fittings that ensures flexibility and safety for the operator. All of these items you see here on this slide are available for purchase at Chicago Pneumatic. Taking a look at different vehicles we focus on, we will start with 2- and 3-wheelers along with small and mid-sized vehicles. The applications we support for the tire shops with these vehicles is the bolting and unbolting process, lifting and stabilizing the vehicles, changing the wheel studs, and the final step with torque controlling. When discussing the CP tools utilized for these applications, we will focus on the recommended ones to get the job done most effectively, as we have many in our line and can't list them all in this presentation. To start, we have our impact wrenches. Pictured here is our 3/8 inch and 1/2 inch CP 7731 and 7732 first generation stubby impacts, followed by our new generation CP 7731C and 7732C composite stubby impacts. With these smaller vehicles, you can find the need for our 1/4 and 3/8 inch CP 7711 and 7721 butterfly impacts. Another notable mention is our new CP 7741 and 7741-2 1/2 inch impacts that have 3 power settings in forward at 147, 273, and 450 foot-pounds of torque, and 1 full power setting in reverse at 715 foot-pounds of torque. You may prefer to utilize our 1/2 inch classic series CP 734H that has been proven to stand the test of time. CP does a great job of providing solutions in the heavy-duty trucks, buses, agricultural equipment, and off-road machinery category. As mentioned before, many of the applications and types of tools utilized are similar to ones used on the other vehicle types. Some differences when working on these types of vehicles would be to use our 3/4 inch CP 6613 stall torque nut runner that provides a range of 236 to 960 foot-pounds of max torque, 3 other 1-inch models to choose from, offering up to 3,020 foot-pounds of max torque. The torque is controlled by adjusting the air pressure, and we recommend purchasing our CP6613 plus ATC Air Torque Control FRL pack to obtain that fine pressure adjustment. Another nut runner offering high tightening precision at plus or minus 4% accuracy when ran at 90 psi is our CP7600 series Blue Torque line of products. With these nut runners, you provide us with the requested torque in a range of 400 to 650 foot-pounds, up to 4 calibrated torque settings depending on the model chosen, and the tool is preset for you prior to shipment. In order to achieve the required 90 psi air pressure for our Blue Torque products, we recommend the use of our portable air preparation kit, part number 106-1975. Maybe you're working in the field and need more mobility but don't want to compromise on precision. Then our new CP86 series cordless torque wrench with plus or minus 4% accuracy is the perfect tool for you. These are available in 4 different sizes and 21 different models, producing up to 5,975 foot-pounds of maximum precision torque. The one pictured here is our CP8613WT standalone version that has a torque range of 170 to 960 foot-pounds of torque that is set digitally on the back of the tool, and it comes with our Blade 86 that is perfect for the tire service industry. Some of the recommended impact wrenches in this category of vehicles would be our CP7783 and 7783-6 lightweight 1-inch impact wrenches that produce 1,770 foot-pounds of maximum torque in reverse and weigh 18.5 and 20.9 pounds. Next would be our best-selling CP7782 and 7782-6 1-inch impact wrenches that provide 1,920 foot-pounds of max torque in reverse and have a 3-position power management setting in both directions to help prevent over-tightening. With over-tightening in mind, we now have available our CP7782TL-6 1-inch torque limited impact wrench that limits the torque in forward to around 370 foot-pounds. If you're needing maximum power, we can offer to you our CP5000 1-inch impact wrench that produces 2,500 foot-pounds of max torque. No matter which of these impact wrenches you choose to get the job done, it's important to complete the final torquing with a calibrated torque wrench, and our manual 1-inch CP8925 is the perfect option for you. To get these wheels off the ground, we have our CP85080 and CP85100 80 and 100-ton air hydraulic jacks. And to stabilize the vehicle while working on them, we have our CP82200 20-ton jack stands. To help in getting those lug nuts off, we have our SS8205WS 5-piece SAE and metric wheel service impact socket set. And to assist you with moving the large wheels around the shop, we have our CP84010 wheel dolly. To clean those studs before putting the wheels back on, we have our CP2755 high-speed screwdriver and a selection of different stud cleaners previously mentioned. And to make quick work of those tire repair applications such as patchwork, tire scuffing, cleaning tire moldings, and retreading, we have our new heavy-duty low-speed tire buffers, CP873C-HD and CP873C-HDES, displayed here. Approximately 44% of all commercial tires sold in the US and Canada are retreads. That represents roughly 15 million commercial tires per year. With these new CP heavy-duty tire buffers, we now have a solution for that growing industry. To support you in your efforts selling these products, in the USA, we have our ASM Peter Beers, who covers everything west of the Mississippi, and our ASM John Hall, who covers everything else in the east. We also have our rep agency partner Blair Sells Corporation, who covers the upper Midwest states. We're here to help and encourage you to reach out to us with any questions you may have and to provide demos and trainings as needed. To support you in Canada, we have our ASM Mark Fletcher, who covers everything west of Ontario, and our ASM Christoph Bosco, who covers the Ontario region and everything else in Eastern Canada. Again, please don't hesitate to reach out to us, and we look forward to hearing from you. I want to thank you for taking the time to watch this video. I hope that you have found this informative, and we look forward to working with you to provide solutions to all your tire shop needs. We can't wait to hear from you, and thank you for your support of the CP brand.